Welcome to Post-Market Analysis from Zebu School, sponsored by Zebu. Today being a monthly expiry as well as a weekly expiry, let's see what has happened in the last 1 month from March expiry to April expiry. In this 1 month, Nifty has fallen by about 2.4% and then Nifty Bank has fallen by about 0.9%. So which are the F&O stocks that has contributed most to this? It is quite wide. From stocks like Ambuja Cements, which has gone up by about 28.3%, and not surprisingly Adani, which went up by 15.3%. So what are the stocks that has fallen? Not surprising again, because of the fall in Nasdaq, a lot of IT companies are falling, and without surprise, it is L&T Infotech, which has fallen by about 21.4%. And to even Infosys, which has fallen by about 18.56%, Mindtree, and then other IT companies, small and medium-sized IT companies too. So there was a fall in IT companies and IT space in particular. So now coming back today to the happening for the day. Though it was little volatile, it was not as volatile as people expected this series to be. And early in the morning, as soon as the market opened up, the market was in the mildly positive and then going, it was trading in a range. After 1 or 2 hours after, it went up, largely pushed by the Hindustan Unilever Limited, which has given a very good results. So it went up by about 4.5%. And because of this LIC IPO coming up, so HDFC Life Insurance also went up by about 4.34% today, and then SBI Life Insurance also went up by about 4.3%. Index also was supported by Reliance, and then Reliance, which for about 1.5%, and then ITC. Since Reliance has a huge weightage, it has helped the market Nifty go up significantly. Then ITC also went up, and it was a good day for stocks, Nifty 50 stocks. So almost all of it went up. So how about the loser side? Nothing much to say about, because even the worst of the loser is Bajaj Finance. I mean, not Bajaj Finance, it's Bajaj Auto. It fell about 1.8%. So not a bad day at all for the index. And for the people who have traded in the market, hope you have traded safely. Nothing much has happened in the terms of volatility. We have seen heavier volatile days and a lot of whipsaw movements earlier. Today we cannot say that that has happened. It is, considering things, it was a relatively minor volatile day. So those who have played safe, there was a chance for you to have made some money. And selling at the pivot level, yes, the resistance and the pivot levels probably would have worked for you had you selected your pivots properly and the resistance set it properly. So since the expiry is over, again we suggested you carry on with asset-light position, because the great overhangs in the international markets, the same factors that is being weighing in the market, I mean in the minds of all the traders, the US-Ukraine war, and then the not US-Ukraine war, Russia-Ukraine war, and then the US quantitative tightening, as well as the Chinese cities getting locked up. And there was one news also in the day that China is shutting out certain places in even the capital, the Beijing. If that is to develop further, the market might fall a bit. So be light in your positions. If at all you trade, be very, very safe on the downside, because the market, if it is to fall, can fall very violently. So be very light in your positions. So to further give concrete trading ideas, Mr. Damodharan would be joining us tomorrow morning. From tomorrow morning, it will be business as usual. He will be giving straddles, strangles, and option tips on when to trade, where to trade, and which strike to take. Till such time, this is Suresh Kumar signing off for Zebu School. Thank you. Keep following us. We have other 6 channels also. Go visit them. Be safe, trade safe, live to fight another day. We wish you all profitable trading. Thank you. This is Suresh Kumar saying bye.